Don't you think you are very late to enter in the market?
Sorry, sir. Last part.
Don't you think you are very late to enter in the market? It's a 33 years rule.
Right, sir.
So for what you wait?
सर टाइमिंग तो आप लोग बेहतर समझते हैं बट वी हैव ऑलवेज थॉट कि बाजार में तब आना चाहिए जब एक ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड हो राइट एंड विच इज द राइट सो आई मीन आई गेस 3 साल पहले भी आ सकते थे 3 साल बाद भी आ सकते हैं सो कोई राइट टाइम तो ऐसे होता नहीं है वी जस्ट थॉट दैट दिस इज द राइट टाइम नाउ वेयर वी हैव अ ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड देयर इज अ ग्रेट परफॉर्मेंस ऑन द टेबल एंड इट्स एक तरह से ये इंडस्ट्री एस्टैब्लिश हो गई राइट सो देयर आर अदर पीपल दैट हैव ऑलरेडी डन दिस so the industry has also got established uske karan but I guess I don't have a firm answer for that.
No, you have a point, but we chose to be private. We grew, we built, we chose to be private. Now we choose to be listed because there are plans, more strategic plans on that. So we could have listed even, as you say, 10 years back.
It's a profit-making company since long.
Yeah.
So why only 10% allotment to retail investors? What is the reason?
Balaji, that under section, whatever, what is that? So, as per regulations.
As per the regulation, so there are two regulations under 6.1 and 6.2, right? So when we fall under 6.2 because of the certain criteria that exchange has given, so uske hisab se we have to give 75% of the issue to QIB, 15% to NII and 10% to retail.
If you will look into the financial performance of FY23, so your top line is increased by 41%, but bottom line is decreased by 65%. Second thing, your EBITDA margin came down from 5.8% to 4.8%, and net profit margin is also dropped from 3.85 to 1.64%. What is the reason?
Okay, so I'll just put that in a perspective. Yeah. तो अगर आप देखेंगे तो इन्वेस्टमेंट का जो कर रहे हैं ना तो उसका फेयर वैल्यू एडजस्टमेंट जो है वो कैपिटल नेचर है वो अभी P&L में आ रहा है. अगर आप रिपोर्टेड नंबर देखेंगे तो डॉक्यूमेंट में हमने एडजस्टेड एबिटा भी दिखा है. तो अगर आप वो देखेंगे तो 108 crores ऑफ एडजस्टेड एबिटा इन FY22 has become 145 crores of adjusted EBITDA in FY23, and the adjustments are two adjustments that we have done, which is also there in the document. एक है वो फेयर वैल्यू रिलेटेड एडजस्टमेंट, वो इन्वेस्टमेंट का रिलेटेड है, वो कैपिटल नेचर है, एंड दूसरा जो है वो एम्प्लॉय ईसॉप का है, वो इट्स अ स्मॉलर अमाउंट ऑफ 3.9 crores. Okay, so these two put together, if you look at the actual operational EBITDA is 145 crores, which is adjusted EBITDA that is given, and a similar flow through will be there in the PAT as well. Right? And again, coming to the fair value adjustment, why it is coming in, just to give you a perspective, when we acquire the entity majority in the first year, and the balance tranches जो है वो next 2 या 3 साल में खरीदते हैं, and इसका valuation जो होता है उसका profitability के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, उसका multiplier लेके implement करते हैं. So because of which if they do better, I have to pay more, and on the first year when I am recognizing the cost of the investment, I would take based on the estimate at that point of time. अगर ये सब्सिडरी एस्टिमेट से ज़्यादा बेटर परफॉर्म करता है तो मेरा पे आउट ज़्यादा होता है, तो इसीलिए उसका डिफरेंस जो होता है उसको फेयर वैल्यू करके मेरे को P&L में लेना पड़ता है, उसको मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट में वापस लेके नहीं जा सकता. तो इसीलिए वो P&L के थ्रू हो रहा है, बिकॉज ये इंडेस का रिक्वायरमेंट है. अगर ये निकाल के देखेंगे तो ऑपरेशनल एबिटा इज इंक्लूड.
Your acquisition rate is very high, 74%. What is the reason? If you will see, your average is around 70% plus.
Yeah, in this industry, especially when you say attrition, it is the IFM industry, that is the integrated facilities management. The industry average is 100%.
सर इसमें
So we
क्या
are
होता
lesser
है
than the industry average.
कि ये ब्लू कॉलर वर्कर्स हैं, इसमें क्या होता है कि जो टोटल अर्निंग होती है ना वो करीब 15,000 14,000 इस रेंज की अर्निंग होती है. तो ये जो अगर मान लीजिए उसको कोई काम अपने घर के पास में मिल जाए या 500 रुपये की एक्स्ट्रा सैलरी मिल गई तो वो आदमी छोड़ देता है. तो इसीलिए द एट्रिशन दिस एंटायर इंडस्ट्री एक्चुअली इज वेरी वेरी हाई कंपेयर टू द इंडस्ट्री. हमारा जो एट्रिशन है वो एक्चुअली कम है, इट्स अंडर कंट्रोल, एंड वी हैव अ सिस्टम वेयर वी आर एबल टू रिक्रूट एंड डिप्लॉय पीपल इज वेल.
In FY23, your new customer acquisition is dropped, and second, the revenue generation from the acquired customer is also low compared to the previous year. What is the reason?
Come again, what is low?
New customer acquisition
In
in
FY23?
FY23 is also dropped compared to FY22.
How is that? Our top line has grown, revenues has grown. How is the customer acquisition?
The customer acquisition rate, see, we get business, हमारे दो तरह से business आता है, right? एक होता है कि existing customer जो है वो ज़्यादा business देता है, दूसरा है कि new logos, new customers we acquire, right? Overall revenue अगर आप देखेंगे पिछले साल का और इस साल का, तो you will see a fairly sharp increase, more than 20% increase.
Yeah, we were, no year we were lost, I mean, reducing. Even in the COVID year, we did not reduction in customer. In fact, COVID year, we made more profits.
I will show you.
Yeah, please tell us what your reference is.
Please refer
Definitely
to
ask
it.
that. Yeah, sure.
And my last question is on based on valuation. If we look at your financial of the FY23, so on post-IPO diluted equity, price to book value comes around 2.36, and P will be go up to 55, mid 57. On the other hand, your peers like Quays Corp, SIS, or Team their average is around 29. Nifty is at 22. So, don't you think that your
Can I ask that? Ravi?
Yeah, you can answer. You should look at adjusted.
Yeah. So
Yeah, yeah.
see, इसका जो एक मेन कारण है ना, वो जो जैसे पहले हमारे
of Updater Services Limited, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors, and our other co-BRLNs, IFL Securities Limited and SBI Capital Markets Limited. यहाँ पे प्रस्तुत सभी members of the press fraternity का बहुत-बहुत स्वागत और धन्यवाद for attending this very important milestone event for UDS. Sharing the dais with me from Updater are Mr. Raghu, the Chairman and Managing Director of the company, who has over 30 years of experience in the integrated business services industry. इन्होंने UDS की शुरुआत 1990 में की थी as a housekeeping and catering services company, and with his leadership, guidance and vision, he has transformed this company into an integrated business services platform. Next to him is Mr. Balaji Swaminathan, the Group CFO of UDS, who handles finance, accounts as well as compliance for the company. Mr. Amitabh Jaipuria, who is a non-executive director on the board of UDS. मैं आपको इस कंपनी के बारे में एक छोटा सा ब्रीफ दूंगी before the company can start presenting. Updater Services is a leading integrated business services platform offering two services essentially: integrated financial facilities management, which is IFM, and business support services, which is BSS. They offer these services across 4,600 plus locations in India. Frost & Sullivan ने एक independent research की जिसके अनुसार UDS is India's third largest company in the IFM segment for the financial year ended March 2023. UDS has also expanded its services portfolio over the years by venturing into higher margin businesses through multiple acquisitions in the business support services space and have integrated these companies very seamlessly. BSS की range of services includes mailroom management, employee background verification services, audit and assurance, sales enablement, and airport ground handling services. Company in सभी segments में one of the leading players है. The company has the widest service offering in the industry, and that is what makes it a very differentiated and unique player in the market. Some aspects of the IPO. The IPO is open for subscription on September 25th, 2023, which is coming Monday, and it closes on September 27, 2023, which is coming Wednesday. The price band for the issue is fixed at 280 to 300 rupees per equity share. The issue at the upper end of the price band will be approximately 640 crores. इसमें एक combination है primary as well as OFS का. fresh issue of about 400 crores, and offer for sale of up to 80 lakh shares. The anchor book bidding for the company for this IPO is happening today as we speak, which is September 22nd, and the details of all the anchor biddings shall be disseminated and available on the stock exchanges websites by today evening. Now, on behalf of the company and my fellow book runners, we look forward to your support and participation in this IPO. हम आप सभी के सहयोग की अपेक्षा रखते हैं. Thank you so much for being here. I'll invite Raghu to take over the proceedings and give you a brief introduction on the company.
Good morning, all of you, and thank you for coming. My name is Raghu. I'm the founder promoter of UDS. I'll give you a quick brief and on the company and the journey. After that, I want Amitabh to take over and give you details about the business itself. Like what Ramit said, it started off in 1990 as a single service provider. One second, I'm just reading. Yeah. In 1990, we had just one service or two services. The idea was to build it into an integrated facilities management business where we could offer more than one service. When we say integrated facilities management, it means all services a facility requires. It could be soft services, hard services, engineering services, support services, the entire facility. So from 90, it took us some time to build size. By mid-90s, we had built size, we had a full portfolio of services, and we had gone pan-India. When we say pan-India, across all states in the country, 4,000 odd locations we give this service. And now Ahmedabad is very special for us. We do a very unique hospital here, probably one of the in the country. It's called the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Multi-Speciality. We do the complete hospital, running the hospital. The government has only doctors, right from the medical superintendent to nurses, to paramedics, to technicians, to the lab, to the ambulance. The entire hospital is run by us. Last 3 years we've been running it, and it's unique because I don't think clinical services has ever been outsourced. It's only the cleaning or electrical, plumbing, engineering is outsourced. This probably is the only hospital in the country where complete clinical services are outsourced. We have close to about 2,000 people working in that hospital alone. Just to give you an idea, like the presence where we are. Based out of Chennai, but most of our business is in the north and the west. So this is what we are. And over last 6-7 years, even though we did our first acquisition in 2007, which Amitabh will take over on the business services, we've started building a business service platform. Idea was to build niche business service platform